Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. Today, as shown in the title, we're going to talk about canvas. So, without further ado, let's hop into the video.
To make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
So, before we start actually talking about canvas, we need to know what is canvas, okay? So, we've got the HTML version of canvas, which we're going to explain today, and we've got the node.js one. They are both pretty similar, they are both almost the same. What is HTML canvas? HTML canvas is an element used to draw graphics on the fly via JavaScript. Okay? The canvas element is only a container for graphics. You must use JavaScript to actually draw the graphics. Canvas has several methods for drawing paths, boxes, circles, texts, and adding images. So let's start off by creating a index.html. Alright, after that we're gonna create a style, style.css and an index.js. Let's put the basics here. Okay, canvas tutorial. So here we're gonna need to link our CSS, our styling sheet, and our JavaScript file. So link. Okay, there we go. Let me just change this part. Style.css. All good. Now we've got our CSS connected. If I reload here, okay, let me do box sizing 0, padding 0, and margin 0. Body HTML. Okay, let's just put that. Why not? Let's change also the color of the background. Okay. Okay, good. So now as you can see it's all changed. That means our styling sheet is connected. Now we need to connect our JavaScript file. So like that. So this is gonna be index.js. There we go. Now we got our styling sheet and our JavaScript file connected. So of course, first of all, we're gonna need to create a canvas element with an ID. We're gonna give it canvas. Okay, let's just change the width here to like 750. Okay, and we can keep that 100 maybe. So you know, there's some browsers that cannot support canvas, which are like very old ones. So we need to show a message for them, which is gonna be your browser cannot support or doesn't support canvas. Okay, it will not show up for me, as you can see. Nothing happens because my browser actually supports it. I just use Google Chrome. So yeah, let's move on to the CSS here. I'll just create a normal code here to actually center the canvas in the middle of the screen. So let's also give it a border to be visible. So the border, let's do like that, solid 1 pixel. As you can see now, this is our canvas. Let's actually position it in the middle of the screen. So position, did I misspelled it? Yeah, I did. Okay, top zombie like that. Okay, good. There we go. It's in the middle of the screen. Now let's go into the actual tutorial, the actual guide. So first of all, anything we want to do with Canvas, we want to do it when the window load. Okay, so window.onload. Okay, whoops. Function, voila. Alright, like that. So now we go first of all need to get the actual canvas element. Alright. As you can see, we assigned an ID. Now we're getting it. Okay, so now we have a canvas element. We're gonna get the 2D contacts. Okay, now we're gonna start. Actually, we're not gonna use like canvas dot. We're gonna just use CTX directly. Okay, CTX is the like abbreviation for context, so we just use CTX, faster, easier, more professional, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, we want to make a simple card. Okay, so so we want to make a card, a YouTube card. Okay, and don't mind me, I've got some tabs opened up. I don't know if you can see it or not. So first of all, we want to type like, okay, like that, but like any color actually, but there was a color, I have it here in a piece of paper. Let me just put the color and okay. So now we're just giving a color because I want to first of all fill this. I don't want to be like transparent. I want to put a color, a background color. So I'm gonna do basically fill rec. Okay, so basically this is like we're filling a rectangle. So that's why it's called fill rec. As you can see, it takes X, Y, width, height. Okay, let me just type it here so we all can remember it. Here we go. So we're gonna give it a 0, 0, canvas dot width and canvas dot height. Okay. Here we go. And I don't know why did it happen like that. I usually just do it width. And here I just do height. Yep, and it works. So basically I said the X and Y is gonna be here, the starting point. I'm just gonna fill it all the way using this color. So now we're gonna make a text. So let's give it a font first. You can actually install fonts of Google, but I'm gonna just use basic ones like the Comic Sans MS. Okay. Fill style, let's make it black. Fill style black. And we want to align the text, okay, to the center. Now let's try something like this. As you can see, it's the middle of the screen. But I want to do something else. I don't want to make like fill text. I want to make stroke text. Look how it's gonna be. See? It's empty from the inside. So let's actually type here like YouTube card. And let me tell you, if I remove this, you can tell me why am I putting here an X and putting it here like aligned at the same time. See, if I remove this, this is gonna get here. Why? Because now, as I set it as the canvas width divided by 2, so this is the center, is gonna start from here. But actually, I want here to be the center of the text, not to start from here. So I added this. As you can see, the center moved to the middle. Now I want it to go up a little bit. Okay, so let me actually make that like this. And 6. As you can see, it went all the way up here. So that's how we want it to be. Now we want to load an image. Okay, we want to actually get an image. Let me go to my server. Okay, copy image link. Okay, we got an image link right now. Okay, so I want to actually load it. There's multiple ways. I'm gonna leave W3 School's link about Canvas topic in the description, so you can actually get more information, because this is kind of a beginner course. So yeah, let's make it into the simple way. Okay, let's just create a new image like that. Okay, and I'm gonna do image.source equal, and we're gonna put our URL, as you can see here. So I can't actually draw that like right away. I need to wait until Canvas can actually load it. Okay, like until Canvas load it. So image.onload, okay, equal function like that. Yeah, let's just put it here. So let me get rid of this. I'll just make it an empty function to explain. Okay, here as well, I'm going to type text x y. Here it's going to be image x y width height. Okay, so first of all, we know the image. Okay, so I'm going to just put my image here, and as you can see, nothing actually happens. Now, if I put the x and y as 0, 0 should be here. Okay, I need to actually resize it. So let me put like 150 by 150. Okay, there we go. So now I want to actually put it like somewhere over here. Let's make the width 50. As you can see, it's gonna move like that. Let's move it down to 125. Bam, here it is. Okay, I'm actually making like a simple design. It's not like a good looking design, but I'm just trying to tell you how Canvas actually works, so you can just do your own creative, magnificent design. Yeah, just trying to motivate you all to actually go and start coding. So yeah, let's just try to write something else. Okay, so I want to actually make it from the start. Okay, now I don't want it from the center. Let me show you what happens if I make it in the center. Let's just continue. So I'm going to actually put full text. Okay, so I'm not going to use stroke text. I'm going to use fill text. Okay, let's just do it like that and type here UltraX. Okay, let's put that x is gonna be 230. The y is gonna be 160. As you can see, it just starts from here, which is like the center. I don't want it from here. Let me just make it at the start. Look what happens now. Here we go. So now let me actually put like more. So like fill text, and let's put 2400 subs. I guess that should be at the same. It's gonna be at the same. Oops, what did I do? Okay, let me just do subscribers. Okay, so the x is gonna be the same. Okay, because I don't want it to be like I don't want to be like here. I just want it to be the same level on this, but just under it. So I'm going to just only change the Y to 185. Okay. Now, look, it's right under it. Nice. Now let's add another one. Let's put 44, like 443k views. Okay. Same X, but the Y, let's actually make it 210. Looks good. Okay. And let's actually put the last one here. I'm gonna put like programming videos. Okay. And actually I want to separate that. I don't want it to be here. I want it to be like even a little bit like down below that. So I'm gonna make more space like this. Looking great actually. So now I'm done with this part. So let's now make something, okay? I won't draw a line. I just want to draw a line here and put my email here, okay? So that's actually the last step we're gonna do, but let me show you how. So using Canvas you can draw multiple shapes like circles, triangles, a lot of stuff, but right now I'm gonna just make a line. So first of all we need to set a place where we're gonna start from, okay? So that would be X and Y. So let's say I want to start from here, okay? So this point right here is gonna be like 500 as X and 100 as Y, okay? And now I want to move the line, okay, like I want to actually make a line too, as you can see here, to the same X, but I just want it to go down, okay? So look, okay, I forgot something here. See, it made a line. So this is where it starts. So this is here, and this are the coordinates of here. Okay, the stroke is just to actually draw it. Okay, like you don't want to just draw it midway, so you just put stroke whenever you want it to like draw it here. Now let's finally put the last thing here, some text, okay, and put my email. So it's gonna be like contact@ultraxyt.com 520. Okay, let's keep that. As you can see, my email is here. So it's actually as easy as this. Look, like I just made an entire card in like 10 minutes. I don't know how long I've been recording actually, but we made something that is like basic, and you can learn from this and try to make your own creative things. If you actually learned something from today's video, you can go in the server, send me what did you do using Canvas, and yeah, that would be appreciated. So so that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and to subscribe and to leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.